Welcome to this tutorial video. The goal of this video is to show you how to set up your booking locations. To access the settings from the diary screen, click on the Settings button in the top right corner. Click on the Entity Settings tab. Take note that the entity settings are set per entity to customize the program to the specific needs of the practice. Click on the Booking Location Setup panel to expand it. By default, there will be a preloaded list of booking locations. However, you can remove or add locations that is custom to your practice. The name field is the name of the different locations in the practice. Click on the Add Location button to add a new location within the practice where the doctor treats the patients. A new field will be added at the bottom of the list where you can give the new location a name that is applicable to your practice. If you wish to delete a location, click on the Delete button that is indicated by a red dustbin. Click on the Save button to save your changes made, or click on the Close button to exit the settings window without saving. As an example, your newly added booking locations will be available when creating a booking for a patient.